Hi, I'm Connor from Ecocute, and behind us is Rycroft Leisure Centre and Youth Centre. We've recently just fitted 13.5 kilowatts of solar panels and Alpha ESS Battery Storage. Places like this is vital to the community, and I'll tell you why. I used to come here as a kid. It offered warmth, it offered shelter, activities when no one else were open. Quite frankly, it kept us out of trouble. So this system behind me is set to save the youth centre thousands of pounds every year. This is brilliant because this is just money that can be reinvested into the community rather than giving straight away to the big energy companies.
Hi guys, back again. We are doing a solar and battery project on a community centre in Rycroft, I think it is, in Wakefield. This is bowling area, and where the panels are going just on this roof just here. I think there's a football or something on the roof right now, but yeah, all on that roof. There's going to be 30 panels in total. This customer is also having a battery system. He's having an Alpha T10, so 3-phase. She's also having a 10 kilowatt battery storage on this one. So at this minute in time, having some work done. Some construction guys are in, having an extension, doing a new kitchen. So we're trying to work around everybody. So yeah, so the plan is to do the electricals today. And then Scott, the roofer, he'll be back at a later date to do the panelling. So we're going to get everything in position, and then we'll come back and commission it all at once. Right, follow me. This is where all the electrics are for this part of the building. This is where the battery system's going and where all our equipment's going. Battery at the bottom, inverter at the top. We've got some meters to put in, also isolation points. We've also got the generation meters to be put in. And we've also got to tackle this, so we're trying to put these tails in, put another board in, so we put a little small fuse board in there, 3-phase supply just for our equipment, with SPD and stuff like that. The DC run is going straight up into the loft. Reece is already up there, rolling about somewhere, fishing the cable straight across. There's going to be 3 strings in total, so 30 panels, 10 panels on each string. And we'll have all those isolation points all down here as well. So yeah, cream egg, it's Easter seed. Should give us a cream egg. Reece is up here at loft. I'll show you where he is. We can find him. Reece! 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 No, he's not here. He must be Van. Reece! Reece, we're trying to find you, mate. Where are you? Sorry then. We've just been shouting you, I'll be like, Reece! Where are you? So this is the battery part. So what you've got is you've got your battery system, 10 kilowatt, and then you've got your inverter which sits on the top. So this is the storage part. So you store all your energy in these batteries, and the solar is producing any surplus, it will charge the battery up. Once the battery is fully charged, or any point in time really, once the customer's turned on some sort of load, it'll automatically discharge to this section of the building. So what we're planning on doing is, even though you've got a mains feed down to the other side of the building, we're going to monitor what the customer's using via these tails just here. So we're not monitoring the full property, because this system is owned by this unit and this part basically. We're treating this in this job. We're treating this job as the grid, even though you've got all the mains somewhere else. We just want to monitor what she's using in this area. So that's where we're going to put the CT clamps. And obviously the solar will go directly into the system already. So you'll have a meter which monitors what she's using, and then you also have your CT clamps for that on there, and then you've got your DC which comes down straight into the system. I shouldn't really touch that, should I? Because it's a bit live there. I'll put the cover back on. That's the DC run. There's 3 strings that will go straight into an isolation point. We'll probably have the isolators lined up with all these switches to make it look nice and pretty. 1, 2, 3. Then you'll have an AC isolation point got some meters, and I'm unsure where the board's going yet because it's not here. Can you go right and then go left? It just drops down. It looks like it drops down and then back up again. Let's get my torch, just see. Joe, where are you? It's amazing, isn't it? It's massive up there. We tape those cables up, rods, and blue tape. If you're an electrician, blue tape, you just know that it's terrible. Blue tape, brown tape, okay, still terrible, but really you want the green in there, yellow tape or black tape. Really strong, good stuff, but yeah, blue tape, shocking. Grey tails, isn't it? Yeah, but blue and brown.
Blue, grey, brown, black.
Yeah. Way back. Freebie. Sparks don't clean up. We're rare. We are rare. Just sweep it into a corner. Sweep it into the corner. That's a good one. You've got quite a bit of kit in here. You've got 3 separate strings on this system, so you'll probably have 10 panels on each string. We've got an AC isolation point, so that's local isolation for the system. This here is going to house this generation meter, so this one's a bi-directional one, with it being a hybrid. So it's going to house that, and it's also going to house, where's the other one? It's in here. So this is going to house 2 meters, so the meter for generation, so import and export meter, that's that one. And then this one is the meter which is monitoring what the customer's using power wise in this unit. And that'll go on some CT clamps around the tail of this board. That's pretty much that. You've got your inverter, you've got your battery. Battery's pretty much all hooked up. This system is floor mounted. If inside, outside you can put it on a bit of a concrete slab if you wanted to, but it's perfectly fine all ground mounted outside as well. Fully IP rated to be outside, but with this space here we just utilised it and the customer happy with us putting it here. Reece has done all the cabling upstairs, that's all pulled through, it's all clipped up. We'll show you some pictures and images of that up in the loft. Ready for when Scott arrives. I think he's arriving one day next week, the panel. So we'll come back, commission it all, turn it all on, test obviously, and pass it over to customers.
Not only does this place have a very, very well equipped park, they've got various sporting facilities all around the place. They offer different classes. There's something to do for everybody and for every age. They've also got a bar, they've got a restaurant, and they do various kind of celebrations, events and activities. It really is the heart of the community, and it's such a great project, and we're so proud to be able to assist in lowering their bills so they can reinvest for the future. With us at Ecocute, you're in safe hands. Not only have we got 16 years of trading experience installing solar panels, which in this industry is a very, very long time, let me tell you, we are #1 on Which Trusted Traders for the amount of reviews and for the longevity we've been on there. We're really proud to say that we've been Which Trusted Traders for over 10 years now, and we're leading the way in terms of number of customer reviews on their platform. So if you do want a quote for either your house or your business, get in contact with us at Ecocute and we'll make it happen. We have fixed online prices, so no salespeople, and we can quote you remotely without even visiting your house. Click the link below and you'll see some advertised prices.